Hi Jade. We're in York. I'm with Enya. We're at Aesthetica Film Festival because that's what we do with our lives. This is the first time I've actually spoken to the camera today and people are looking at me but I don't care. We're going to get run over. We're going to get run over. I've stole coffee off Robert because that's what I do with my life. And we're going to do some masterclasses, see some film and wander around York. Goodbye.
The real way to eat them, the way Robert's eating his Yorkshire pudding wrap.
It's just like a Sunday dinner where the plate is a Yorkshire.
Yeah.
Shan.
That's why Yorkshire puddings were invented.
You shan?
Such a good angle.
We've just been for food. We had Yorkshire pudding wraps. Jade, what was your verdict?
Oh, you know, I'm full after that though.
It was so good. I enjoyed it. Thanks, Robert.
Right, after I take the